today we're going to talk about magnetic therapy and chronic back pain. Now, when we talk about chronic back pain, it could be upper or lower. So what we've done is devised quite a number of different products to assist with chronic back pain. Now remember, all magnets do the same thing, they're just different vehicles for holding the magnet against the skin. So you can use one in conjunction with the other and see which works the best for you. We're not going to go into too much detail, but we're basically going to just give you an overview, and then you go to my website, or you can go to an individual video on that product in particular and get more personalised information. I've got the hiccups there. So today, first of all, I suppose to start off with chronic back pain is Janice, because she is a chronic back pain sufferer. She had 2 discs replaced and 1 fused about 5 years ago, so she has a great insight into what it's like to be in pain. So one of the products she's got on first, she wants to talk about first, is the magnetic vest.
Well, the vest is a great product because it does cover the whole torso. It's got magnets from across the shoulders here, down the front each side of the vest. You can do it up as well if you like, and from the top of the shoulders all the way back down the rhomboids, right down to the base of the back. So it is a good product because you can wear it during the day, you can wear it to work comfortably, you can wear it out at night. It is a good product because it does cover the whole torso area, and most people who are chronic do tend to find they've got it from the shoulders down to their hips. So it is a good product to have as far as and being able to wear it every day during the day as well.
Just looks like a normal piece of clothing.
It does come in black, brown and blue, I think, as well. Yep. So it is a good product, and it comes in different sizes, obviously, for men and for women. So it's a good product as far as the whole torso area is going.
And talking about things you can wear for chronic back pain, one of our products that I'm very proud of, Janice, because she makes most of these products herself, is the magnetic t-shirt. Originally this was devised we made it to assist people with fibromyalgia and osteoporosis for the obvious reasons, but if you've got chronic back pain, it's a great product because there's 75 3,000 Gauss magnets, or up to 70,
80.
Up to 80, she knows better than me, magnets which assist with chronic back pain. So the magnets go throughout the whole back.
Well, really, this is a world first, this t-shirt, because the t-shirt, the magnets actually cover the entire torso area, whereas the best I've seen up to date would be a magnet t-shirt that had magnets across the shoulders and the upper back. But with this particular t-shirt that I've designed, the magnets go all the way down to the base of the back, all through the middle of the back, right up to the neck, comes around the front of the shoulders, the back of the shoulders, the front of the shoulders, across the chest area here as well. So the whole thing is very, very magnetic. Absolutely.
So if you've got a chronic problem, this is a very good product for that as well, because it works the whole back area. Next, chronic back pain, depending on where you've got it, the clip-on pouch is a great little product. It's got a 3,000 Gauss magnet, which is very powerful. It's about this big, 25 millimetres wide, and you just clip that into underpants. But what we're going to do is just show you there. If you've got chronic upper back pain, see how Janice just clips it in the back of the shirt?
Same with the shoulder. Over this way, just clip it in.
And again, when we're talking about your underpants or lower back,
anywhere,
you just clip it in your underpants over your disc, or over the sciatic nerve, whatever's giving you the chronic pain.
Men tend to like this one because it's very simple and easy to use, and they like that it's very simple.
Men are simple, aren't they? All right, now Janice's favourite, because she suffers severe sciatica and lower back pain from her operation, is the magnetic back support, 24 1000 Gauss north-facing magnet. So there is a lot of magnetism working in that, and it gives you the support and magnetic therapy at the same time.
Yeah, I was just going to say, the reason I think it works so well is because with someone like me, is because not only has it got the 24 1000 Gauss north-facing energy magnets in it, which obviously I need the magnetic therapy for the circulation, it also does have the stretch elastic here, surgical elastic, which also offers me the support as well. So those two things combined together give me excellent results. And a lot of people, when they ring, go, oh, is it big, is it bulky, is it uncomfortable to wear? I'm actually wearing one, so you wouldn't actually know that I actually had a back belt on under my clothes, because it is very streamlined to wear. I can actually wear that under a dress and no one knows you're actually wearing it. So it is very, very good to wear under your clothes. I'm just going to lift it up and show you just how it's nice and firm on the body without being uncomfortable. And I think that's important because a lot of people think it's going to be very big and bulky and uncomfortable to wear, and it certainly isn't that. So there you go.
That's the back belt. Have we done the body studs yet?
No.
I don't think we did. Again, in the t-shirt, in the vest, in a lot of our products we use a 3000 Gauss rare earth magnet, which is very powerful. Now that's these. These come in a pack of 12, and instead of strapping it to your body, we use a band-aid, and the band-aid adheses the magnet against the skin. So if you've got chronic back pain anywhere on the back, you stick a little body magnet on it. Stays on your skin for about 2 or 3 days, depending on your type of skin. An oily boy like me only lasts about 1 or 2 days. Someone like Janice might go 3, 4, 5 days. Showering all of them. When the band-aid gets yucky, you keep the magnet and use it over and over and again, putting it back on that problem area.
And the reason people get such instantaneous results with this product is because the magnet is being placed directly onto the skin. There's not layers and layers of material interfering with the energy coming through. It's directly onto the skin. So that's why we get, almost instant result with these. People ring us because they're just amazed at how they put it on 20 minutes ago and the pain's almost gone already. How is that possible? It's because the actual magnet is not being interfered with, the energy is not being interfered with too much between you and the magnet. It's directly onto the skin, so it's almost an instant result.
That's right. Now, one of my favourite or best-selling products is the magnetic pillow. Traditionally made for neck and shoulder problems, but remember, you can just put the pillow wherever the pain is. So if you've got back pain, or chronic back pain, you put it behind your back. Put it behind your lower back if it's in the lower area, or sit with it on the lounge, on the chair or anywhere. If it's upper back pain, don't put it in.
Yes.
Funny enough, I went and spoke at a nursing home the other day, and one of the ladies on the way out said to me, I bought that pillow from you last time, and I have to tell you, this winter hasn't been so nasty with my arthritis problems.
Where was she using it?
Well, she had it, thank you. She had it behind her back on the lounge at the daytime. And I said, oh, do you take it to bed as well? And she went, oh, I never thought of that. So remember, on the lounge, on the chair of a daytime, take it to bed and put it behind your back or in the trunk of your body of a night time.
Well, that was the beauty of the pillow, is that it could travel with you from room to room throughout the day or night. So whether it was, at night in bed, or you went to work, you put it in the car when you go to work and you're travelling, you get to work, put it in the office chair behind your back under the hip and thigh area, you come home, watch a bit of television, put it on the lounge behind your back. It does travel with you throughout the day. And I find this great too, because when I do travel, I can't go without a magnetic underlay because of all the artificial pieces in my back. So I actually use the pillow as a mini underlay to sleep on when I travel. And so it's a good little introduction. If you can't afford the underlay, buy the pillow as a mini underlay to trial first, because you can sleep on it very comfortably. You won't actually feel it, and it's a good way of being introduced to the magnets and getting results with the little pillow, and then buying the underlay after that.
Yeah.
Speaking of
Speaking of underlay, let's go Mexican underlay. This is our favourite product. We make it ourselves, and one of the last Australian-made magnetic products, or magnetic underlays. Now the main thing to remember, which I didn't mention the others, is that we purposely put stronger and more magnets in this magnetic underlay than any other underlay that I know of in the market these days. Isn't that correct? Now with chronic back pain, you go to bed overnight, your circulation slows down, your lymphatic system slows down, and you'll either wake up stiff and sore or first thing in the morning, or in the middle of the night, it's going to wake you up as a result of the chronic pain.
And Karen's talking about the stronger and more magnets. Also, to the construction is probably the most important part when buying a magnetic underlay, and that's why we still do the magnetic making ourselves, because the construction is so important. The idea is that you are going to get the benefit from the magnets, and the way to do that is to make sure there's not too much between you and the magnet. And just to show you why this underlay is still in its packet, I can take a couple of magnets here and place it to the underlay, and it'll stick, showing you all the energy from those magnets is directly there underneath you. It's not wrapped up in layers and layers and layers of material. So it's very therapeutic, which is what you want if you want to get results, which is what we offer with our underlay.
That's right. Now, just to conclude, there are a variety of different magnetic products, all for that to help you with chronic back pain.